Welcome back to the channel. The way people treat you isn't about them, it's about how much you allow them to negotiate your worth. Not when you become louder, not when you explain yourself more, not when you try harder to be understood. It starts the moment you stop shrinking to keep connections comfortable for a long time. Many people believe respect comes from being agreeable, from being flexible, patient, understanding. Even when it costs them their peace, so they adjust their boundaries, they lower their standards. They accept behavior they'd never recommend to someone they love, and slowly, without realizing it, they teach others how to treat them. Negotiating your worth doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it looks like staying quiet when something hurts. Sometimes it's laughing something off, so you don't seem difficult. Sometimes it's giving second, third and fourth chances when the pattern is already clear. But the more you compromise your self-respect, the more people test how far they can go, because when your boundaries are flexible, they become optional. The shift doesn't happen when you finally confront everyone or explain your pain perfectly. It happens internally when you decide that your comfort matters as much as connection. That decision changes how you speak, how long you tolerate silence, what behavior you stop justifying, and once that shift begins, the dynamic starts to change in ways most people don't expect. Because when you stop negotiating your worth, you stop explaining why you deserve respect. You stop apologizing for the way you feel, for the boundaries you set, for the time you take for yourself. You stop asking permission to exist on your own terms, and the most powerful part people notice. Even if they don't say it, they feel it. They sense that you are no longer available to be treated as an option, as someone who will bend endlessly to their convenience. Suddenly, the tone of conversations changes, the energy around you shifts, and the way people interact with you adjusts, sometimes immediately, sometimes slowly. But it always adjusts. You'll see it in the small things. First, someone stops interrupting you. Someone stops dismissing your feelings. Someone finally listens without questioning, debating, or adding conditions. They may not even realize they're doing it. They're simply responding to the new standard you've set, because worth isn't something you convince people to see. It's something you show by living it unapologetically. And here's the secret most people miss. The inner shift isn't about being harsh or cold. It's about clarity, consistency, and quiet confidence. You don't have to fight for respect. You just have to stop giving it away freely to those who don't value it. Once that happens, everything changes, conversations become easier, relationships become healthier, and suddenly the people who truly belong in your life rise to meet the standard you've quietly set. And the truth is, when you stop negotiating your worth, you stop living in constant doubt about who you are and what you deserve. You stop bending to please people who never cared enough to understand you. You stop shrinking to make others comfortable while you're uncomfortable. The moment you fully embrace your value, something remarkable happens. People begin to treat you the way you've always deserved to be treated. They show up, they listen, they respect your boundaries, and they stop taking you for granted. You don't need to demand it, fight for it, or explain it. It simply happens because your energy, your confidence, and your clarity are no longer negotiable. So stop trying to justify your feelings, your time, and your worth. Stop over-explaining, stop apologizing unnecessarily, and stop shrinking yourself for anyone else's comfort. Because the people who matter will rise to meet the standard you set, and the ones who don't, they were never meant to be in your life anyway. Dear viewers, if you like this video, do share them with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.